Hello everyone, you are watching PMN Online, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to add Dow Jones in TradingView. Adding the Dow Jones Industrial Average to your TradingView platform can be a game changer, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out. Having this key index readily available can greatly enhance your market analysis. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you have the most efficient setup on your TradingView dashboard. First, you'll want to head over to the top of your TradingView page where you'll find the search bar. This tool is your gateway to the vast universe of market information available on the platform. In this search bar, type in the symbol for the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is TVC DJI. Once you've entered it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, select the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index to proceed. Now that you have the live chart of the Dow Jones open, you'll be presented with the most current market data available. With this chart at your fingertips, you have numerous options to customize your TradingView experience. You can add the Dow Jones chart to your layout, which is particularly useful if you often analyze multiple charts simultaneously and want to keep the Dow Jones within easy reach. Adjust the timeframes and indicators according to your trading strategy. Whether you prefer using specific moving averages, trend lines, or focusing on various timeframes, TradingView's robust features allow you to align the view perfectly with your trading style. Moreover, having the Dow Jones in your watch list enhances accessibility. To add it, click the plus icon next to your current watch list on the right sidebar. Enter TVC DJI into the search once again, and when the drop-down option appears, click Add. This will integrate the Dow Jones Industrial Average into your watch list, making it a seamless part of your daily trading routine. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added the Dow Jones Industrial Average to your TradingView setup. Keeping prominent indices like the Dow Jones at your fingertips can significantly streamline your decision-making process and boost your overall market analysis. Feel free to further customize and tweak the settings as you become more familiar with the platform. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to add Dow Jones in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.